Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2013 Ford Mustang Premium V6 black on black interior. So we'll just start over here at the trunk. I'll let you have a look. So fair sized trunk of the Mustang, as you can see, looks great. Have a look in the seams on this car, extremely clean as you can see, looks great. So we'll just go ahead, we'll close this trunk lid up and you can have a look from the back. It's got the nice deck lid spoiler on there, color match to the car. We've got the LED tail lights. We've got the reverse parking sensors in the lower bumper there. We've got the dual stainless steel exhaust tips there, looks great. And we'll just shift around this side. Here's your rear wheel. So brand new Pirelli tires on there, nice red painted calipers and painted rotors, looks great. So over at the passenger side, I'll let you have a look at the door skin here. We've got a nice leather insert there with the power windows, so with auto function on it as well. We've got our power locks, we've got our chrome door handle and chrome speaker surround. Over here we've got the Mustang kick plate that illuminates, and then we've got the power fore aft up and down seat and a manual recline. And have a look at the condition of the seat, looks great. It's got that nice baseball stitching on it, looks great. So we'll just pull this seat forward and we'll have a look in the back. So here's the back seat for you, looks great. Great shape, and we've got adjustable headrests up here as well. So we'll put this back out of the way and let's have a seat. So as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And in the glove box, we do have the original books. So the books are there, that's awesome. On the dash, we have this brushed aluminum finish with the chrome surround around the vents, looks good. And have a look at the upper dash, it's in great shape. So we'll just hop out, we'll close this side up. On the mirror, you've got the convex mirror in the corner, and we do have heated mirrors as well. And I'll just scan down this side of the car for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. You've got your pony logo there. And then here's your front wheel. So it's in great shape as you can see. Brand new Pirelli tires, painted rotors, painted calipers. So we'll just shift around under the hood. So we've got the 3.7 liter V6, which is 305 horsepower paired to the 6-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, it's nice and clean and tidy under there. So we'll close the hood here. Oh, didn't quite close it hard enough, so just do that again. There we go. Perfect. So have a look from the front. We've got the nice chrome pony badge on the front. We've got the projector headlights there with the LED daytime running lights. We'll have a look at the hood. There's a little mark here, which we've touched up. And outside of that, I mean, there's little tiny ones. Oh, here's one here. And that's about it. A couple little minor marks on the bumper, but nothing to worry about. Overall, it looks great. Chin spoiler on the bottom's in great shape, as you can see. And here's the driver's front wheel. So again, it's in great shape. We've got Pirelli tires, painted rotors, painted calipers, and same thing back here. Awesome. So over at the driver's side, we've got our power mirror switch up top. We've got our power locks. We've got our auto windows on the front. We've got our rear window switch. That nice leather insert there. Some storage below, and the chrome surround around the speaker and the door handle. There's your illuminated kick plate on the driver's side. For the driver, you've got power fore aft up and down and power lumbar, and then manual recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. So no warning lights, no issues. We've got 82,335 kilometers, so nice and low for the year. Over here we've got our cruise control, and the buttons, as you can see, are in great shape. A lot of them start to wear on this year or these years, so they're in really fabulous condition. We've got our automatic headlights over here, so that's auto, and if we pull that out, that's fog lights. We've got our dimmer switch for the dash, and then you've got your wiper control on the signal stock. The lighting on the dash can change colors, so you can set it to different select whatever color you want. So that's great. You've got a key turn start, and you've got keyless entry on the key itself. And then over here is your shaker radio. So and it does have Microsoft Sync, so you can connect your phone and sync your phone with it. You got AM, FM, CD, Sirius, auxiliary. And then if I move the shifter out of the way so we can see, we've got our AC and heat controls, and we also have heated seats here. So there's your heated seats. So those are working. Put that into park. There's your 6-speed automatic shifter, and it's got a manual shift mode here. So there's an S, put it in standard, and then you can shift it yourself. Traction control on and off, 4 ways, and your trunk release. And then here we've got cup holders, and there's the illumination there as well. And then this button here opens, and we've got line in USB and a 12-volt socket. Up top we've got our power top button, so I'll go ahead and put the top up for you so you can see the operation. Perfect, and we'll just lock that in place there and here. Perfect, so we've got that up. We'll put the windows up. Perfect, and let's hop out with it running and just have a look and a listen. Nice noise to it, sounds great. There it is from the front with the nice projector headlights and the fog lights on. And we'll just go ahead, we'll scan down this side of the car for you and have a look. What a great looking car. Here it is from the back. Nice mild rumble to it, sounds good. And let's have a look at the top. Top's in great shape, as you can see. No tears, no rips. Looks good. And there you have it, folks. 2013 Ford Mustang Convertible V6 Premium here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.